please.
Last time Hazrat spoke about his trip to Holland and if there is more to be added. Hazrat said maybe he could add something.
I think most of the things I wanted to say have already been said, except that the history of Holland should be learned before people leave for Holland. How a small island ruled east and west for far and wide. The whole Indonesia remained enslaved by Holland for 200 years or more. And Korea, up to Korea, Holland ruled. And towards Americas, the Hollandish people ruled Dutch Guyana and many other islands. So if people before going to Holland read the history of this great country and what makes it great, that will fill them with enthusiasm and fill them with also respect for these people, very hard-working people.